Well, good morning. It is about 3:45 in the a.m. On November 2nd, 2024, Saturday morning. I had that confused. Anyway, I'm Williams, Philippines. Yeah, having started work yesterday, I thought, I was feeling like yesterday was Friday, and so Friday was Saturday, and I was asking my friend who called to talk, don't we drop back to, isn't it fall back time? And she's like, no, that's tomorrow night. Yeah, I messed myself up. I turned my Monday morning into Thursday night. Yay. Night shifts can be confusing. Just saying. Anyway, yeah. It's okay, I end up with some overtime. Oy. And yes, I'm going to get 8.5 hours overtime because I got in here and got that yesterday, or Thursday. Yeah, trying to figure that out. Anyway, yesterday, because tonight's Friday. And yes, then tomorrow night I'm going to get an extra hour because we're falling back, and I'll end up with 9 hours, almost 10 hours worth of overtime there. So, yay, paycheck. And and I got to talk to somebody, Mr. R, a guest that came by, and his wife's from the Philippines. Lives somewhere between Manila and Baguio. So, yay. Hope I see you over there. Anyway, I was so enjoying talking with him, pointing out some different places to go, and pointing out some places that might be a little rough. I'm used to rough. I've lived my life. But it is what it is, I've lived in 30 states and been in 43, joined the Navy, and seen 20 other countries. So I've done a little bit of traveling and always been the new kid on the block. And yes, you might have seen some flashes out the window. I actually had the power go out here for a second and re-kick on. But it makes it interesting trying to do audit. But hey, it is what it is. But I'm enjoying a little bit of a rainstorm. The parking lot's got a little bit of water on it, so yay. It's always good to get moisture here in the High Plains desert, so we always want the moisture. It's a good thing. But got to talk with the guest, and like I said, I enjoyed the conversation, and he was pointing some things out and talking with him, and he said he thinks I'll do okay over there. He said I'm a little loud. I pulled my hearing aid out and showed it to him. Yeah, I might be a little loud. I do try to, on occasion, be a little softer. It is what it is. But yes, between the hearing aid, having to have hearing aids, I am loud. He says, work on that. I do know how to speak softly. I'm used to being louder, though. Loud and proud Texan. It is what it is. But I can try to be a little on the softer side. Ooh, there was a good one. Lit the place up. I didn't hear it yet, so it's not that close. There it is. Yeah. But yes, power flashed on and off here because of that. Kicked off, kicked back on, and this thing didn't even notice it. Laptop with a battery in it. So for a minute it was, or for a couple seconds it wasn't charging. Of course, it's probably helpful that I've got a uninterrupted power supply surge protector thing under here and such. But yeah, it's always good to have that kind of stuff around. And it only took a minute for the router to kick back in and get me back online, so yay there. Those things are very useful. Uninterrupted power supply surge protectors. They will protect your computer on occasion that you need to make sure it doesn't go stupid on you. Because, hey, lightning can mess your day up. We get a lot of that around here. Lightning? Yeah. We're used to thunderstorms, lightning. Yeah, it is what it is. Some folks aren't used to having it around. Me, I've seen too many different storms, and I've seen the damage that a tornado can do. The thing about tornadoes and typhoons, the difference, well, you usually know a typhoon is coming. You might have an idea that a tornado may or may not show up, but typhoons are big, giant, tornadoes that are, built up and last for days and move slowly. Tornadoes, on the other hand, just kind of pop up, say, here I am, splat, and rearrange things. Might be why I like having a storm shelter in the back of my house, and I like working here because pretty much the whole first floor is a giant storm shelter. Couldn't be a reason that they would build a building so that most of the first floor is a giant storm shelter. Nah, not one reason at all. Yeah. Tornadoes are no fun to play with. That's why a lot of folks in this area, and pretty much Tornado Alley, we're at the beginning of it, and all of Tornado Alley, folks like storm shelters. Because twisties come along and just rearrange things. The finger of God came down and said, move. Just saying. Anyway, not having that kind of weather tonight, so this is just a little old small lightning storm, thunderstorm. And yeah, it's still flashing here, there, and yonder. That's a good thing. But yes, and I made the mistake of letting my charge on my little, not hearing aids, but earbuds, JVC, wireless headphones, earbuds, whatever you want to call them. And I forgot my hearing aids today, so I'm trying to use those, and they didn't have enough charge. They ran out early. So I've got them over here charging. It is what it is. And I actually got some sleep today. It was broken up in bits and pieces, but I actually slept. Problem is, when I finally did have to get up to come to work, I just wanted to go back to sleep. But I actually ended up getting a good bit of sleep. Yeah, I think my friend's calling me back now. Anyway, Williams, Philippines. I hope you're having a blessed day. Enjoy your weekend. Lots of food. I'm Fish, and Fish is out.